Willkommen auf meinem Kanal Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Frohe Weihnachten! Merry Christmas to all. And today I have here a model kit from the anime Asy-Tac Fronteer KAINAR. This is a Chinese mecha anime, and I got this KAINAR NORMA here. And what I learned from my research in the internet, that this model is the antagonist mecha in that series. So you know me, I only collect model kits that are protagonists from their respective anime, but this is my first time to include an antagonist model kit because I find the design cool. This is all black, looks badass, so I throw all my principles that I should only collect protagonists. So now I include this first antagonist in my collection. So this has a long name, UNX04S KAINAR NORMA, and this is not from oldie. So this is a model kit from Alpha. So the company name is Alpha. So this is not your oldie company. So this is like a third-party company that produces the Norma. So I hope they build more Chinese model kits or from Chinese mecha anime such as the KAINAR, because KAINAR, to be honest, is a nice kit. It looks like Gundam as well, but from China. So this is an original mecha anime from China, but unfortunately I cannot find some link to watch that anime. So I'm very curious. I hope I can find some link someday. Anyway, let's check this kit out, this KAINAR NORMA, and let's see what's inside the box. So, fangen wir an, los geht's! Join me as I review or unbox this big box here. So the box here is big. It's like your average Gundam Master Grade model kit. So this is a 1/100 scale kit, and this is still in a cellophane, and you can see me there waving. My reflection is can be seen in the box here. So the box is big, and we can see here some depiction of KAINAR. There, the eyes or the eye is glowing red, and we can see here UNX04S ATF Asy-Tac Fronteer KAINAR EXR. So whatsoever, so many Chinese depiction here. So this is very heavy. The box is heavy, to be honest. And there we can see the company here. So this is produced in 2023 by Alpha Model Kits. So this is Zane Zone. Yep, this is Zane Zone company, and they merged with this Alpha whatsoever. Anyway, so the box here is very simple. It's all black, and there we can see the front view and the rear view of the kit. So this kit has a deep resemblance of the Sinanju from the Gundam anime series. In the other side of the box, we can see some action poses of the KAINAR. Yep, very nice. Then we can see the KAINAR logo here. And the other side, we can see some Chinese text here. It says it's made out of ABS, PA, and PVC. So I bought this from NeoHobs at an affordable price of 2,000 pesos. So they sell it for 2,550, but I got a good discount and I think I bought this around 2050, something like that. So it's about 2,000 pesos, let's just say. So this is affordable, and this is the last piece from their store, but I think they will restock. So I will just open this for you to see what's inside. So now that I removed the cellophane, the box is a bit matted, so I like the texture of the box. It's a really professional package, and there's a good feel, a matted feel on the print out of the box. So if we open this one, we can see another layer of some posterized design here. So it has the same appearance from the box art. So it deeply resembles the old master grade style from Bandai, where they put some extra cardboard of the model kit. So I will make this poster in my room. So it's very nice. And so let's check the contents of the box. So we got mostly black parts here. So these are black runners, gray runners for maybe this one for the inner frame parts, and the plastic feels like Modoroid. This has powdery feels here to avoid the moisture from the outside environment. So these are all black parts, light gray parts for the inner frame, another black parts, purplish gray parts here. So the runners are big, as you can see. The runners are really big. Again, this one, black parts, small gray parts, black parts, small gray parts, black parts again, and purplish gray parts. So it has so many parts here. Then hands here, we got hands, but unfortunately I will not use this hand since I will use Dalin decal hands again. And we got red parts here, clear red parts with beam saber effect parts there included. Then we got action base, not action base, but decals, dry transfer, and we got batteries. So this is for the light, the head, LED light, and we got some what's this, etching parts, stickers, and I don't know what is this. I think this is a metal dog tag inside. And finally, we got the instruction manual. Okay, nothing inside the box. So the instruction manual here, this is a glossy instruction manual. We can see the Norma, same picture from the box art. And let's open the manual. We can see the parts list immediately. Then there we got some beautiful guide here. There's this English words here, such as step 2, step 1. So this is how you build the kit. So as I judge the appearance of this manual, this is a straightforward, simple kit. So this is not so complicated, just like the other SNAA or in-era model kits, which has so many complicated parts. But this one, it looks simple. So there we got some depiction of it's like a manga or a blueprint. So this is a beginner friendly, as I rate this. So I presume this is a beginner friendly kit, even though it has so many parts. But the assemble pattern is not that complicated. So I think this is the pilot. So he looks menacing. He looks really an antagonist character. So he looks ugly but very, very badass. So there. As always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit, and let's start with this gray runner here with some chunky parts for the inner frame parts. We got the runner D, and as we can see, there's a logo of Asy-Tac Fronteer KAINAR there, and it's made in China from Alpha company. So this is an original franchise, I presume, for this company to build this Norma model kit, and I hope they just release more KAINAR model kits in the future aside from oldie. So this runner D here, we got chunky black parts again, big runners for runner I. Then we got 2 sets of runner C for black parts. We got this light gray runners for the inner frame, which is runner J. We got 2 sets of runner E here for the inner frame parts, and some parts here are already dislodged. So this runner E. Then we got this 2 runner M here for joint parts. We got runner K here for inner frame parts. We got this black parts here for runner G. So we got 2 sets of runner G. We got runner N here for clear red parts, and these are somehow rubbery feels. The other parts are already dislodged, so I keep it immediately. So we got runner F for gray parts or purplish gray parts. We got this light gray parts, runner L, for the tie inner frames. Then we got this black parts here for armor pieces, runner A. Then we got 2 sets of runner B here for armor pieces. Then we got 2 sets of runner H for the black armor pieces. Then we got this poly caps and hand set here, which is rubbery, but unfortunately I will not use any of this since I will use the Dalin hand 1/100 scale hands. I will not use this crappy hands here. Then for the accessories here, we got this LED light with magnet, but unfortunately there's no battery. Then we got this stickers, clear stickers, I think, for some detailings. We got etching parts, metal etching parts, and finally we got this paper pack here with this dog tag from Northburn. So this is an excellent rank with the Northburn UNX 045 Norma engraved. So this is a metal part here, or metal dog tag if you have dog tag. And finally we got some dry transfer decals here, which I will not use because I'm lazy to apply this. So that's it for the unbox review of KAINAR Norma from Alpha company, or Alpha model kit. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing of KAINAR Norma, and see you next time in the review. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, take care, Frohe Weihnachten, or Merry Christmas to all. See you next time. Goodbye, God bless, take care, auf Wiedersehen, masalama, paalam sa inyong lahat, sayonara.